2 to 4 hours na online job? Meron ba nun? Meron! Kaya naman for today's video, mag-share ako sa inyo ng mga part-time online jobs na 2 to 4 hours lang per day. So perfect na perfect to para sa mga college students na merong mahabang vacant. Bagay rin ito sa mga nagwo-work full-time at gusto pang rumakit. Bakit? Wala kayong kapaguran. Kasi naman, yung sinasahod mo sa full-time job mo, napupunta lang sa kuryente. Aray mo! Kaya kung gusto nyo pa ng mga online pagkakakitaan, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And guys, nag-o-offer din pala ako ng free webinar every weekdays 9:30 PM. Dito yan sa aking TikTok, nagla-live ako dyan. At syempre, nagba-Bible study rin tayo right after. 2 to 4 hours online jobs. Of course, pag-usapan natin yung available para sa ating mga Pinoy and mag-share din ako sa inyo ng mga application links na updated as of July 2026. And ito guys, is pinapresent ko rin ng live sa TikTok. So, nag-share ako ng free webinar every weekdays 9:30 PM. So, ito kasi is recorded and early access yan siya. And yung live naman is you can ask me anything. So, if meron kayong katanungan in this video, pwede nyo yung ilista. And you can also ask me live sa TikTok pag ito na yung pag-uusapan natin. So, ang goal natin dito is for us to find a flexible side income na hindi kailangan 8 hours agad. So, here are the important things that we should know before we proceed. I just want you to know, guys, that this is not an instant money. Meron pa ring application testing or client hunting na magaganap. Mas safe kung mag-a-apply lang kayo sa mga official website, pero meron din ako mga i-share sa inyo ng mga platforms kung saan tayo pwedeng makahanap ng client. So, yun yung parang pinaka-teknika natin, okay? So, of course, huwag kayong magbabayad para sa registration fee at sa application fee. Pag-uusapan din natin yung mga ibang red flags later on, and yung rates and openings may change, kaya always check the current job post. Pero, as of right now, July 2026, okay pa naman yung mga rates na mababanggit ko in this video. So, anong klase ng work ang hanap natin? So, ang goal natin is makahanap ng flexible online jobs, yung kayang gawin yung 2 to 4 hours a day or project-based. So, kailangan din Pinoy-friendly kasi for us Filipinos, diba? Low setup cost, as much as possible, kailangan pwede sa phone, pero may mga ibang task din talaga na kailangan ng laptop and stable internet connection. Kailangan din natin, guys, makahanap ng realistic, hindi yung captcha-captcha na patatagalin lang yung oras and at the end of the day, sayang ang pagod. So, huwag kayo basta-basta mapofall sa mga ganong klaseng task. Hindi naman talaga makakapagbigay ng totoong income sa inyo yan. Ang reminder ko sa inyo is piliin yung job na bagay sa oras ninyo, bagay din sa equipment, and sa skill mo ngayon. So, first job that we're going to talk about is ESL Free Talk. So, this is not your typical ESL tutoring company. Hindi kayo mag-a-apply sa mga kahit anong companies na alam natin, di ba? This one is you will be independent and direct kang makakakonect sa students. So, bakit Jazel? Ba't kailangan mas maganda na direct? Hindi yung kailangan dumaan pa sa companies na kailangan mo mag-apply at mag-training pa. Dito kasi guys, is pag direct ka sa student, yung bayad is makukuha mo ng buo. Ang tendency kasi pag nag-apply ka sa company, may cut doon, of course, yung company kasi sila yung naghanap ng client. Sila rin yung nag-provide sa inyo ng materials, kung ano yung ituturo mo. Sila rin ang nagbigay ng training sa'yo. Kaya, mas preferably naman na mag-direct students tayo. Paano yan, Jazel? Wala akong materials na maituturo sa student ko. Kaya nga free talk, di ba? Free talk. Ibig sabihin ng free talk, mag-uusap lang kayo. Yes, chikahan lang. Pag-usapan nyo yung mga bagay na gustong pag-usapan ng student mo. So here guys, makikipag-free talk ka in English with kids or adults. Phone plus earphones lang ang gagamitin mo and good lighting if ever man na mag-video call kayo. So dito guys is makakahanap kayo ng students directly sa Rednote or Xiaohongshu. Yun yung pangalan ng app sa China. So guys, don't get me wrong, Rednote is not an ESL tutoring platform. It is a social media platform sa China. Kasi hindi accessible ang FB, YouTube, Google, Instagram sa kanila. So, meron silang ibang ginagamit na social media platform exclusively lang sa bansa nila. Kaya tayo mismo ang papasok sa social media platform nila para makakuha tayo doon ng student. And for sure guys, interested ang mga tao sa China. Sobrang daming tao sa China. Sila yung most populated country. And for sure, maghahanap sila ng someone na makakausap in English. So, ang gagawin nyo kasi sa RedNote, ganito yan. Post short lessons so students can discover you. Kumbaga, you will be a content creator sa RedNote. So, yun lang yung parang magiging puhunan mo. You will build yourself there. So, guys, hindi ako marunong mag-Chinese, hindi ako marunong mag-Mandarin, mag-Nihongo, or whatsoever. Nihongo? Di ba Japan yun? Cantonese yan. Hindi ako marunong sa mga ganong klaseng languages. Ang naging kaagapay ko sa pagsiset up ng profile ko sa RedNote is si ChatGPT. So, may mga prompts akong pinagawa sa kanya na dapat mapansin ako as an ESL tutor sa RedNote. So, ayun, tinuruan niya ako na mag-translate ng language to Chinese. And in that way, mamamarket ko yung sarili ko properly with their hashtags as well. So, sa ngayon, guys, hindi pa ako nakakapag-post ng content sa RedNote and I'm really interested to give this one a try kasi masarap akong kakwentuhan. Taray! Oo, free talk, laging free talk classes ang binubook sa akin ng mga students ko way back 8 years ago nung nagtatrabaho pa ako sa 51 Talk. So, guys, hindi kayo mamamroblema sa materials. Walang materials na magaganap dahil free talk lang yan siya. Kasi sa China, wala silang opportunity makipag-usap sa mga foreigner doon unless merong foreigner na nakatira doon. Kasi nga naman, di ba, ang social media platforms nila is exclusively for, you know, Chinese people only. Yung mga nakatira lang sa China. Hindi sila pwedeng gumamit ng Facebook, ng Instagram, di ba? So, wala sila opportunity makipag-usap sa mga tao sa labas. Kaya, ayun, mag-sign up kayo for an account dito sa RedNote at gumawa kayo ng inyong profile marketing yourself as an ESL tutor. So, bakit maganda ang RedNote strategy? Like yung tinuro ko sa inyo a while ago. So, syempre, hindi ka na maghihintay sa job board lang. Ikaw mismo ang nakikita. Parents and learners can discover your voice, accent, and teaching style. Kumbaga, magiging ano mo na rin yan siya. Portfolio. So, phone-only friendly, record, post, reply, and book trial classes. Pwede ka rin mag-offer ng mga ganong klaseng promos. Tapos ito ha, tip lang, huwag mag-spam. Mag-post muna ng helpful mini lessons. Huwag ka muna masyadong mag-market na hire me, get me as your ESL tutor, parang ganito ganyan. Siyempre, build mo muna yung foundation ng profile mo para makita nila na talagang reliable ka at marunong ka talaga magsalita ng English. So, ito yung mga kakailanganin nyo guys sa ganitong klaseng phone-only ESL free talk setup. Phone, earphones, lighting, notes. So, syempre, kailangan mong mag-isip ng magandang pag-uusapan just in case lang na walang mai-open up na topic yung student mo. So, calendar and payment. So, guys, sa free talk, in-instruct kami before na iwasan yung usapan tungkol sa, una, politics, religion, and sa, alam niyo na, yung yung West Philippine Sea. So, wag niyong pag-usapan yan. Baka mag-away kayo. So, here is your RedNote content plan. Just in case you're planning, okay? You can take a screenshot at kayo nang bahala. Para hindi kayo magkanda sabog-sabog sa paggawa ng content. So for hashtags naman guys, medyo nag-compress lang dito sa aking presentation and I will provide the hashtag in our description as well. So ito yung sample bio na pwede nyong ilagay sa bio ninyo and you can also translate this one to Chinese para mas madaling basahin ng mga Chinese people. Okay, so for free talk rates, syempre ikaw magre-rate sa sarili mo. Suggested ESL free talk rates for beginner guys, 180 to 250 pesos per 25-minute session. And with TESOL or experience, so ako kasi nakakuha ko ng TESOL doon sa company ko before, you can rate yourself na 250 pesos to 400 pesos per 25-minute session. And you can also go with the package idea, like 8 sessions, tigta 25 minutes yan, 1,500 to 3,200. So, it depends upon you guys, no, kung magkano nyo i-rate yung sarili nyo, pero alam niyo sa sarili nyo kung beginner kayo, wala kayong experience, you can go with this one muna, yung beginner rates. Actually, mataas na yan. Oo, kasi kung nag-apply kayo sa company, 70 pesos lang per 25 minutes ang makukuha ninyo. So, tiyagain nyo nang i-build yung sarili ninyo sa RedNote. Gumawa kayo ng pangalan nyo doon, magkaroon kayo ng attraction, audiences, and in that way, aani na lang kayo. Yes, harvest na lang. Tapos, you can set your own time. You can negotiate with your students sa oras na available sila at available ka. So here are some of the simple DM script for trial class. Take a screenshot na lang, hindi ko na pag-uusapan pa kung ano yung content nito, alam nyo na yan. So just in case guys that you would like to teach sa ibang platform, you can also go with this ESL Marketplace option like Preply. You can also take this QR code if you want to visit their website. So right now, pag-usapan na natin job number 2, which is AI Data and Search Rater. So ang task dito is rate search results and review AI answers. So this is good for flexible 2 to 4 hour work when tasks are available. Ito yung mga websites kung saan kayo pwede mag-apply. Well, basically, this one is covered na rin dito yung training AI. Actually, meron akong exclusive video about that. Pero this one is specifically for part-time jobs lang. Like 2 to 4 hours per day availability or flexible time. So you can also take a screenshot of this one for the websites kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply sa ganitong klaseng online job. So for AI job starter tips, so use one clean resume, English or Tagalog skills, internet speed, device, and also your typing skill. Read guidelines carefully before taking tests. Apply to 3 to 5 platforms. Do not depend on one site only kasi syempre, hindi natin masabi. May mga time na hindi rin available yung mga tasks. Track emails daily because invitations can expire fast. So, best schedule is 1 hour application plus 1 to 3 hours task when available. So, for job number 3, here we have transcription or captions. So, ang task naman dito is to listen to audio or video and type what you hear. Alam naman natin yan, di ba guys? Good for fast typers with patient listening skills. So, ito yung mga basic websites kung saan kayo pwede mag-apply. I don't know lang dito sa Rev if available na sila dito here in the Philippines. Pero just in case you're living abroad and gusto mong magkaroon ng part-time job, you can definitely try Rev. So, apply only through official freelancer pages. Avoid agent fees. Okay? Pag may agent fee na, wag na kayong tumuloy doon. Okay, so for job number 4, here we have part-time VA or data entry. So, ang task natin dito is email, calendar, data entry, research, Canva, social media support. So, ang search nyo dito sa mga online job portals is, of course, dapat may keyword na part-time VA, 10 hours per week or 2 hours per day. So, dito talaga is magsisimula ka sa maliit na rate and then as time goes by, pag nakakagain na kayo ng experience, pwede nyo nang taasan unti-unti. Here are the websites where you can apply for part-time VA jobs. So, here we have Online Jobs PH, virtualstaff.ph, Wing Assistant, and Workana or Upwork. So, you can just search for the keywords that were provided a while ago. Ito yung mga VA tasks na swak sa 2 to 4 hours. Of course, yung daily inbox cleanup, 30 to 60 minutes yan. Lead list building or data entry, that is 1 to 2 hours. Basta huwag ka papadistract sa mga social media. Ilayo mo muna yung cellphone mo. Huwag ka mag-alt tab. Canva post plus captions, 1 to 2 hours. And mas mapapabilis pa to if you will use AI. Hindi yung ipapagawa mo na sa AI lahat ng gawain ha. It will just help you for your productivity. Okay? So, appointment setting or chat replies, that is 2 to 4 hours. And customer support tickets, fix ito and mini shift. So, for you to market yourself, here is a portfolio idea. You have to provide a 1 sample spreadsheet plus 3 Canva posts and 1 intro video. So, lahat naman ng yan is you can do with Reni AI. Kalagay yung link dyan sa description box below. Okay, so for our job number 5 is user testing or paid research. So, ang task na ginagawa dito is test apps or websites, answer study questions, and join interviews. Good for 30 minutes to 2 hours per accepted study. Not stable daily work but good add-on income when you qualify. Best if you can explain your thoughts clearly in English kasi madalas ang testing is i-record mo yung screen mo and then you will speak. So here are the websites where you can do this online job. Dito kayo mag-apply. User testing, U-test, respondent, and user interviews. So, you can just take a screenshot and later on, after this video, you can search sa Google. So, for our last job here, we have job number 6, social media outreach. Ano bang ginagawa dito? So, basically, this is appointment setting, lead generation, and DM support. Send friendly messages, qualify leads, book calls, reply to comments. Can be phone friendly if the client uses Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or CRM app. So, okay yan siya guys ha. Pwede kayong gumamit ng phone. And of course, if i-allow kayo ng inyong magiging client. So, this is best for confident chatters with good copy-paste discipline. So, ito yung mga keywords that you can use for online job portals na maisa-suggest ko later on. And screenshot nyo yan guys ha. Laging screenshot if you want to take note. So, where to apply for outreach roles? Here we have online jobs PH. Ito guys, andito na pala yung mga mga keywords na pwede natin gamitin. And do not forget ha, yung filters. Gawin yung 2 to 4 hours or part-time. Send short proposals for DM support projects. And also, pwede rin naman sa mga Facebook groups. Pero, ingat kayo sa pag-a-apply. I-verify nyo muna yung client. So, sa mga ganitong klaseng mga pag-hunt ng online job, better make sure na talagang magagamit ninyo yung So, sa mga online job portals, again, you have to sign up for an account and build your profile. I-provide ninyo yung inyong resume, yung inyong profile, and yung experience ninyo, portfolio, and whatsoever, okay? So, here is a sample 2 to 4 hour daily routine. So, you can take a screenshot and do it once you've decided to go through this. And also, a 7-day action plan. Kasi, syempre, no, pag once na nakakuha kayo ng bagong information, agad-agad tayo, hala, sige, hanap-hanap na, pero wala pa pala tayong preparation. So, yan guys ha, in order for you to be organized, please apply this 7-day action plan before you apply. And here are some of the scam safety checklist. Dapat no registration fee and no unlock job payment. Use official websites, not random links from strangers. Pero guys, yung red note a while ago, you can go for it, okay? Marami nang gumagawa nun. Do not send IDs unless the platform is verified and needed for hiring. Kasi okay nang mascam ng pera, wag lang makuha yung ID mo, be. Oo, pwedeng gamitin yan sa sindikatong pamamaraan at pwede ring gamitin yan using AI. Naku, nakakatakot, be. Baka di mo alam, may kaso ka na. Pinag-overthink ko lang kayo. Avoid Telegram-only HR with too good to be true salary. Yung nagsasabi na copy-paste lang, ano pa, captcha. So, walang ganon, te. At tapos, at the end of the day, kailangan mo pala mag-invest bago ka makakuha ng sahod. So, for direct ESL, collect payment or deposit before recurring classes. As much as possible, okay? Kasi, syempre, di natin alam, baka may mga scam din sa mga social media platforms na China and wala tayong habol doon. So, here is my recommended order. You can try one by one sa pag-a-apply ng iba't ibang niche, okay? So, again, here are some of the application links for ESL. Ayan ha, may mga QR code tayo dito sa screen na pwede nyo na lamang iscan. And here are the apply links for AI and transcription. Apply links for VA plus testing. Screenshot nyo yan, guys. So, there you go, guys. Ayan. So, I hope nakatulong sa inyo itong video na to. Lahat ng yan, information na shinare ko sa inyo ay effective as of right now, July 2026. If you have any questions, please comment down below or you can even list it down para pag nag-conduct ako ng live webinars sa TikTok is pwedeng-pwede kayong magtanong. On the spot ko sasagutin yan through our TikTok live. So yun na naman guys, and thank you so much for watching this video, and kung na-enjoy nyo ito, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa aking mga uploads. So have a nice day, God bless, and goodbye!